Power family.
Hey, what's up, Power family? How you guys doing? Hey, what's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is the Power 9 FM here, and today I have a very special unboxing indeed. I am going to unbox a Vizio M7 series Quantum 50-inch Vizio 4K HDR TV. I got this on Amazon for around $500. I got it about 2 weeks ago, I do believe. 2 weeks. But I'm going to unbox it for you right now. I originally wanted to put this video on hold because I needed. I thought I would need help getting the TV out the box and stuff, but apparently I'm gonna try to do it on my own without anybody helping me. I tried to get help, but nobody is around or available or is too lazy to help me, or too tired to help me. So I'm gonna have to bite the bullet and just do this myself. I'm gonna try to do it with the best of my ability without touching the screen, but I don't want to touch the screen. There's a little crack in the box right on the right side corner. There's a little crack. I hope the screen's not cracked. I hope it's not cracked. I hope it's not damaged. Because if it is, I am fucked. I am screwed. I hope that's not the case. I hope it's fine. I hope it is. But we shall see when I unbox this for you right now. Before we get to that, I finally found out what is wrong with this TV. I finally found out what was wrong with it. This right here, as you know, I'm gonna say it again, just in case somebody missed my other video, or I have some new views, I don't know. But I'm just gonna say that this TV right here is a Vizio 2014. Yes, it's 2014. It's full HD, 1080p. I think it's 120 hertz. I think it is. It's not 4K. It's not HDR. It's just a full HD 1080p TV. I found out what was wrong with this TV. It seems to be the backlight is fine. The T-con board is fine. The screen is fine. The component video input is fine. The RF input to watch TV over the antenna is fine. The only problem is the HDMI ports. Oh, and the USB port is fine. This TV has 4 HDMI inputs, and they're all messed. They're all screwed up. Whoever had this TV before me, I don't know what they did with the HDMI inputs, but I don't know if they pulled out the cable too hard or if the HDMI inputs over time just broke on the TV. I don't know, but I never had a TV with bad HDMI inputs like this. I never had one that had a problem like this before. But for whatever reason, all 4 HDMI inputs are bad. They're all bad. They're all shot out. What happens is when you're playing video or when you're playing the game, there's a little squiggly line. It looks like an electricity line that goes from the top to the bottom, then it goes from the bottom to the top, and it does that all practically all day at random times. It could happen at random times. It does it all day. But when you pause the video, the line goes away. So when the video is paused, or when the game is paused, well, when the video is paused, the line goes away. When I pause the game, the line doesn't go away. For whatever reason, it doesn't. But when you pause the video, the line goes away. But then when you play the video, when you're like playing the movie, unpause the movie, the line is there. And then what happens is, after a certain amount of time, the whole screen goes pinkish. It has a pinkish color on the screen, and then the TV shuts off. It doesn't shut off, but it restarts. The white light goes off like this, and then the TV restarts, and then it's fine again for a couple of days, and then it does it again. So the TV is pretty much shut. So I've had it. I'm dealt with all I could dealt with. I can't deal with it anymore. I tried all kinds of HDMI cables. It's done into practically all my HDMI cables. I tried all of them, and I have about 25, 30 HDMI cables. I even tried the brand new 4K HDMI cables, and it still did it. So for whatever reason, the HDMI ports 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all fine. They're all shut. It's a shame because this TV is really nice. I'm going to try to fix the HDMI inputs at a later date. I'm going to try to, but I don't know if I can. I'm going to try to see what I can do about fixing this TV, because this TV is pretty nice. It's nicer than the 2009 Panasonic Plasma I used to have, and it's nicer than my 2011 Sony Bravia. I guess because it's a little slimmer, and the bezel is nicer thin, and it's newer than the other two. I think this TV is 120 hertz. This TV is only 60 hertz, but it says it can do 120, but I do believe that this TV right here is only 60 hertz. But that's okay for now. I do plan on getting myself a 65-inch 4K or a 55-inch Vizio M8 later on down the line. I probably would go with an M8 65K inch Vizio probably around November. I'll probably do that. Somewhere around Black Friday, I'll probably look for some deals, see what I can do. The difference between the M8 and the M7, the M7 has the quantum color right there. The M7 only does up to 20. The M8 does 90. So there's about a 60-inch difference between the two. So I mean, the M8 is a little bit better and can produce really blacker blacks on the quantum color M8 as it does 90 quantum colors. The M7, this one only does 20. But this will do for now. This will get my feet wet into the 4K universe, because I've never really had a 4K TV before. Well, I did have a 4K TV before. I had a 2014 50-inch Samsung 4K, but I found that in the trash, and the screen was cracked, and I had no remote, no power cord, no nothing. The screen was crashed. It would have cost more money to fix the screen than it was worth. So I just trashed it. So I never really experienced 4K before. I never have. until now. So like I said, this will get my feet wet into the whole 4K universe, because I've never experienced that before. So let's get into this unboxing, shall we? And then maybe around November I'll unbox a 65-inch M8 Vizio TV, if I can find one really good on sale later on during the year. Then after I do that unboxing, I'm gonna do this unboxing, the Xbox Series S unboxing. I'm gonna do that, and then I can experience the true 4K then. Okay, guys. Sorry for the introduction, but I just wanted to be clear so everyone's on the same page, so nobody's confused and be like, oh, but you have this TV over here, but then again you have this TV over here, so why do you have to? No, I didn't want people to be confused. So now everyone should hopefully know what's going on. So without further ado, sit back and relax and enjoy today's video with the Power 99 FM. So let's get to the unboxing. Here we go, guys. Here we go.
Say subscribe with coming to the poem.fm.
Wow. She messed up on the Power 99 FM. She messed up on everything. You messed up on everything. Damn, that was a fail, Alessa. That was a fail. You messed up on everything. Wow. Wow, that was a fail. You failed. So, as you notice, where's the unboxing? Where's the unboxing? Where's the unboxing, Power 99 FM? Where's the unboxing? Where is it? Well, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. This video was only supposed to be an introduction, not a unboxing. It was supposed to be an introduction to the unboxing, but not a unboxing video. No. The unboxing video is coming. It's coming, but it won't be today. No. But stay tuned, guys. It's coming. It's coming. Even if I have to do it by myself, the video is going to come. Alright. I'll see you in the next video, Power Family. Peace. And stay classy, yo. And don't forget to check out the next video, because it will be a good time. A good time indeed. So, if you guys don't believe me, this box is not empty. It has a TV in it. It has a TV in it. The inputs are right here. It has... I'm trying to see that through the phone, but I can't. The quality's not that good. It has one optical input, one stereo audio input left to right, one TV channel input, one composite input, one USB input, one Ethernet input, and 4 HDMI inputs. It has 4 HDMI inputs. Yeah, let me try to make that better for you. Okay. I think you guys can see that now. Okay, yeah. So, the unboxing video is coming, guys. It is coming. I just have to pace myself, because my back kind of hurts. When I went to move that brown dresser right there to get to the HDMI inputs in the back of the receiver to plug in the 4K HDMI inputs, I pulled it out and then I managed to push it back, and I was dealing with a whole bunch of wires over here and in the process. I hurt my back. My back kind of hurts. It hurts when I bend down. I can't bend down. I feel pain in my lower back. It's still like that too, so I have to pace myself and take it easy. Pain still hasn't gone away yet, but it's getting better, but it's not there yet, so I just have to pace myself. But the unboxing will come, guys, and the TV's in there, man. The TV's in there. I hope the TV's in there, but we shall see when I do the unboxing. So stay tuned, guys. It's coming. It's coming. I just have to pace myself. I can't push it too hard, man. My back really hurts.